Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Curious Mind. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. NCERT Solutions for Class 10 Science Chapter 2 Acid Bases and Salts. In-text questions set 1 page number 18. Question 1. You are given 3 test tubes. The 3 test tubes contain distilled water, an acidic solution and the basic solution, respectively. There is only red litmus paper available in order to identify what is there in each test tube. How will you find out what is in each of the test tubes? Solution. We can identify the content in each of the test tubes using red litmus paper. This can be done by noticing the color change of the red litmus paper. On litmus paper, the 3 solutions in the test tubes are poured separately. The solution which turns red litmus to blue contains a basic solution. Divide the formed blue litmus paper into 2 parts. The solution from the test tube, which turns blue litmus paper to red, will be the acidic solution. The solution of the test tube, which does not change either red or blue litmus paper, contains water. Note: after immediate distillation, distilled water has a pH of 7. However, within a few hours after distillation, it absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and turns slightly acidic with a pH of 5.8. In-text questions set 2 page number 22. Question 1. Why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels? Solution. Curd and sour food substances contain acids. These acidic substances combine with metal. This reaction turns food into poison, which damages people's health. Question 2. Which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with a metal? Illustrate with an example. How will you test for the presence of this gas? Solution. When an acid reacts with any metal, salt and hydrogen gas are formed. Question 3. Metal compound A reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compounds formed is calcium chloride. Solution. As the metal compound released is calcium chloride, the gas evolved here is carbon dioxide. Hence, metal A should be calcium carbonate. Hence, the reaction between calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid is. In-text questions set 3 page number 25. Question 1. Why do hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc., show acidic characters in aqueous solutions while solutions of compounds like alcohol and glucose do not show an acidic character? Solution. Release of hydrogen ion in water will make a compound acidic or non-acidic. Acids are substances which, upon dissociating with water, resulting in the production of hydrogen ions. Some compounds show an acidic character as they dissociate in the aqueous solution, which results in the production of hydrogen ions. Acids like hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. Compounds similar to glucose or alcohol do contain a hydrogen element, but they do not show signs of acidic nature. The fact is that the hydrogen in them will not separate from like the hydrogen in the acids. They will not separate to become hydrogen ions, on dissolving in the water. Question 2. Why does an aqueous solution of acid conduct electricity? Solution. Charged particles are responsible for the conductance of electricity in an acid. These charged particles, called ions, are the reason behind the conductance of electricity in acid. Question 3. Why does dry hydrochloric acid gas not change the color of the dry litmus paper? Solution. Dry hydrochloric acid gas does not give out hydrogen ions, therefore, hydrochloric acid gas does not show any acidic behavior, and the color of the litmus paper remains the same on reacting with hydrochloric acid gas. Question 4. While diluting an acid, why is it recommended that the acid should be added to water, and not water to the acid? Solution. While diluting an acid, it is recommended that the acid should be added to water and not water to the acid because if water is added to a concentrated acid, it releases a huge amount of heat which may result in an explosion and can cause acid burns on the face, clothes and body parts. Hence, it is safe to add acid to water but not water to acid. Question 5. How is the concentration of hydronium ions affected when a solution of an acid is diluted? Solution. When acid is added to water, there will be a fixed amount of hydronium present in the fixed volume of the solution. If we dilute the solution, hydronium ions per volume of the solution decrease, and this, in turn, decreases hydronium concentration in the solution. Question 6. How is the concentration of hydroxide ions affected when excess base is dissolved in a solution of sodium hydroxide? Solution. When a base is dissolved in sodium hydroxide solution, its hydroxide ions increase, but it will reach saturation at some point. After saturation point, hydroxide ion concentration is not affected even after adding base further. In text questions set 4 page number 33. Question 1. You have two solutions, A and B. The pH of solution A is 6, and the pH of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these is acidic, and which one is basic? Solution. In order to find the hydrogen ion concentration, we can use the rule that states, the pH of any solution is inversely proportional to the hydrogen ion concentration. Therefore, it means that the solution that has a lower pH number will have a higher hydrogen ion concentration. Hence, solution A will have a higher hydrogen ion concentration. In addition, solution B will be basic, and A will be acidic. Question 2. What effect does the concentration of hydrogen ions have on the nature of the solution? Solution. Hydrogen ion concentration decides the nature of the solution. If hydrogen ion concentration increase, then the solution turns acidic, and similarly, if hydrogen ion concentration decreases, then the solution turns basic. Question 3. Do basic solutions also have hydrogen ions? If yes, then why are these basic? Solution. Basic solutions have hydrogen ions, but hydroxide ions present in basic solution are more in basic solution. Hence, hydroxide ions turn the solution into basic. Question 4. Under what soil condition do you think a farmer would treat the soil of his fields with quicklime calcium oxide, or slaked lime calcium hydroxide, or chalk calcium carbonate? Solution. If the soil is acidic in nature, pH below 7, then such fields should be treated with quicklime calcium oxide, or slaked lime calcium hydroxide, or chalk calcium carbonate. In text questions set 5, page number 34 to 35. Question 1. What is the common name of the compound calcium hypochlorite? Solution. The common name of calcium hypochlorite is bleaching powder. Question 2. Name the substance, which on treatment with chlorine, yields bleaching powder. Solution. The substance, which on treatment with chlorine, yields bleaching powder is calcium hydroxide. Question 3. Name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. Solution. Sodium carbonate is the compound which is used for softening hard water. Question 4. What will happen if a solution of sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? Give the equation of the reaction involved. Solution. Heating sodium hydrocarbonate yields sodium carbonate, and carbon dioxide gas is liberated in the process. Question 5. Write an equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Solution. The chemical equation for the reaction of plaster of Paris and water is Exercise questions, page number 33. Question 1. A solution turns red litmus blue, its pH is likely to be A 1 B 4 C 5 D 10. Solution. The answer is 10 because litmus paper turns blue when the solution reacts with a basic solution pH more than 7. Hence, 10 is the answer. Question 2. A solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains A. Sodium chloride, B. Hydrogen chloride, C. Lithium chloride, D. Potassium chloride. Solution. The answer is hydrogen chloride. Eggshells contain calcium carbonate, which on reaction with hydrogen chloride, liberates carbon dioxide gas, which turns lime water into milky. Question 3. 10 milliliters of a solution of sodium hydroxide is found to be completely neutralized by 8 milliliters of a given solution of hydrogen chloride. If we take 20 milliliters of the same solution of sodium hydroxide, the amount of hydrogen chloride solution, the same solution as before, required to neutralize it will be A. 4 milliliters, B. 8 milliliters, C. 12 milliliters, D. 16 milliliters. Solution. Since 10 milliliters of sodium hydroxide requires 8 milliliters of hydrogen chloride, 20 milliliters of sodium hydroxide requires 8x2 equals 16 milliliters of hydrogen chloride. Hence, the answer is option D, 16 milliliters. Question 4. Which one of the following types of medicines is used for treating indigestion? A. Antibiotic, B. Analgesic, C. Antacid, D. Antiseptic. Solution. Indigestion is due to the excess production of acid in the stomach. Medicines used to treat indigestion is called antacid. Question 5. Write word equations and then balanced equations for the reaction taking place when A. Dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. B. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon. C. Dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminium powder. D. Dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with iron filings. Solution. Question 6. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose also contain hydrogen but are not categorized as acids. Describe an activity to prove it. Solution. Insert 2 nails into the wooden or rubber cork and place them on a beaker, as shown in the figure. Connect the iron nail to a bulb, a 6-volt battery and a wire connected to the switch. Pour some alcohol or glucose so as to dip the nails in glucose or alcohol. Turn the switch on, and you see the bulb not glowing despite of connection to the switch. Now empty the beaker and add the hydrogen chloride solution. This time, the bulb glows. This proves acid can conduct electricity, but alcohol and glucose do not conduct electricity. Question 7. Why does distilled water not conduct electricity, whereas rainwater does? Solution. Distilled water does not contain any ionic compounds in it, whereas rainwater has a lot more compounds. Rainwater has dissolved acidic gas, such as carbon dioxide from the air, and that forms carbonic acid. This means that it has hydrogen ions and carbonate ions. Therefore, with the presence of acids, rainwater can conduct electricity. Question 8. Why do acids not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Solution. The acidic behavior of acids is because of the presence of hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions can only be produced in the presence of water, and therefore, water is definitely needed if acids are to show their acidic behavior. Question 9. 5 solutions, A, B, C, D and E, when tested with a universal indicator, showed pH as 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9, respectively. Which solution is A. Neutral, B. Strongly alkaline, C. Strongly acidic, D. Weakly acidic, E. Weakly alkaline? Solution. In increasing order of hydrogen ion concentration. pH 11 strongly alkaline, pH 9 weakly alkaline, pH 7 neutral, pH 4 weakly acidic, pH 1 strongly acidic. Question 10. Equal lengths of magnesium ribbons are taken in test tubes A and B. Hydrochloric acid HCl is added to test tube A, while acetic acid CH3COOH is added to test tube B. Amount and concentration taken for both the acids are the same. In which test tube will the fizzing occur more vigorously and why? Solution. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid, whereas acetic is a weaker acid. Fizzing occurs because of the production of the hydrogen gas obtained due to the reaction of the acid on the magnesium ribbon. Since hydrochloric acid is a very strong acid, there is a lot of liberation of hydrogen gas from test tube A. Therefore, more fizzing takes place in test tube A. Question 11. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. How do you think the pH will change as it turns into curd? Explain your answer. Solution. Fresh milk is turned to curd due to the production of lactic acid. Lactic acid reduces the pH of the milk. Question 12. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. A. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? B. Why does this milk take a long time to set as curd? Solution. A. He shifted the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline to prevent milk from getting sour due to the production of lactic acid. B. This milk takes a long time to set into curd because the lactic acid produced here first neutralizes the pH, and then the pH is reduced to turn the milk into curd. Question 13. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Explain why. Solution. Plaster of Paris should be stored in a moisture-proof container because moisture can affect the plaster of Paris by slowing down the setting of the plaster because of hydration. This will turn plaster useless. Question 14. What is a neutralization reaction? Give 2 examples. Solution. The reaction of the acid plus base gives a product of salt plus water, which is considered a neutralization reaction. Examples. Question 15. Give 2 important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Solution. Washing soda. 1. It is used as an electrolyte. 2. It can be used domestically as a water softener for laundry. Baking soda. 1. It can be used to test the garden soil for acidity. If bubbles are developed, then the soil is too acidic. 2. If used on washing the car, then it will remove dead bug bodies without damaging the color or the paint on the car.
If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.